This is Shop Talk with Buck, Tuesday, August the 6th. Welcome to my shop. We did get her going on yesterday. Let me turn y'all around here. We'll look at this. Yes, sir. We got that backing on there. We got it mounted. The only thing I forgot to trim it, but I can get that anytime. I'll get that squared away. Got the legs epoxied in. Yeah. Yeah, we got her. So, I got some help coming over here after a while. We'll get this thing unclamped, and then we'll get her stood up over here. And yeah, I'm getting excited. We almost got us a woodworking bench. Like I say, I got my son-in-law. He's gonna be over here in a little bit. We will. He's gonna help me set it up. That's another thing. Whenever you're, let's see, about 50. When I was 50 years old, I still thought I could do anything like I did when I was in my 20s. The thing about it is, when I got my hands on it, I realized I can't do it like I once did. If you know what I mean. So, but when I got in my 60s, I knew it. I didn't have to put my hands on it. I knew I couldn't. I knew it. So, when I was back in the day, you know, I'd try to turn this over by myself. Man, I thought I was going to. But the thing about it is, I know better. Something was to happen. I mean, gosh, it takes forever to get over it. I mean, it ain't like it used to be. Dadgummit. When you get down, well, just falling. Just fall down. You walking and you fall down. Shoot, when I was younger, I didn't pay no attention to that. Man, just bounce off the ground and just keep on going. Now, you have to lay there for a few minutes and make sure everything's still working. Then if it's not still working, it just takes forever to get over it. You know, when you're younger, I mean, you know, in a few weeks, we're talking months now. But, yeah, I'm excited to have a woodworking bench. Thought I'd come down here and do this filming while waiting for him. He gonna catch it right before work, so he'll have to go right on to work. It won't take but a second to get this thing turned over. But I don't want him to have to wait on me, you know what I mean? See, it's just 6 o'clock now. I think we got a doctor's appointment. I just about used all my clamps. I used the biggest part of them. Didn't think I was going to have enough to do it. That was another one of them deals where it's hard to get too many clamps, if you know what I mean. It's hard to get too many clamps. Now that I got the clamps off, let's take another look at it. Yeah, we got it. See, this is the area you're going to see from the top. See, it's actually upside down. There's enough mass. I've added mass to it. I took my time and got these things cut to where it's right against it. So that's going to aid in helping the racking, if you know what I mean. So, Only thing I got left to do, I'll figure how I'm gonna do that. But I got so excited about we're getting her done, I forgot to trim these. I was gonna trim it down within less than a 16th, kind of like this. And see, this one won't be too bad. I can take a plane, knock that right off. That one's not too bad. These aren't too bad, so I might be in pretty good shape. If I had one, see, that one there is just right there. That this one and this one is my two main ones. Yeah, they're sticking out pretty good, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, we're gonna have a hand tool woodworking bench. Yeah, I am so looking forward to that. So when he gets here and we flip that dude over, I'll show that to you. That's a lot of table, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
All right, if you're gonna just slide right over here just a little bit. Right there, that's good. Well, I tell you, we got us a workbench. We can use it now. I've got more I'm gonna do to it, and as we go along with the accessories, you know, my tool well, sharpening station will go here. Showbird vise I've got over there will go here. I got dog holes to put in it. I may put a cabinet right down here. But so we will work with this and see how it goes and kind of tweak the design. And I'm excited about it. I sure am. But listen, I will see you guys on the next one. Y'all have a wonderful day and be safe.